We have the 2250 RK. I love it because it has a big kitchen and a big window right in front of the sink. So I can look out while I'm doing the dishes or, I don't know, spy on people? No, I love it. And the bedroom in the back, it has a big bathroom in between. So you could leave the sliding door open and it makes it feel like it's a bigger bathroom. You can even set stuff on the bed while, when you get out to get dressed or whatever, and it works out really well.
And she likes the fireplace too.
I love the fireplace. I didn't think I was gonna want the fireplace because we're camping.
Right.
But I love it for the heat because I'm always cold. So it's a great heat source. I used it several times today actually.
We went to the camper show in Novi, looking around at everything, and we kept getting pulled back into everything about the grand design, just the floor plan, the quality of it, the access to your water coming in the outs, everything being contained on the inside, and just a lot of good features that we liked about it. So you just kind of kept pulling us back all the time.
Yeah, bigger holding tanks.
Yeah, the bigger holding tanks was a big one for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's kind of how it all went together.
So I emailed Grand Design's customer service because, well, the fireplace that I love was not working the very first time we used it. So when I got the book out and I tried everything, and I had other people, thinking maybe I just didn't know what I was doing, and they looked at it and we couldn't figure it out. So I emailed them and they got back with me right away and said I did need to take it to my dealer because it was still under warranty. So we contacted our dealer and had it taken care of, but they did email me back 2 more times to make sure that our problem was taken care of. So I was very happy with that.